I chose Kalari Rasayana in Kerala, which is an Ayurvedic hospital, because its treatments are so authentic, and the doctors come and meet you 4 times a day. So at no point do you feel lost in your journey of Panchakarma, which can last anywhere from 14 to 21 days. I have met so many people here during my stay who have been repeat customers, and they have dealt with autoimmune conditions, arthritis, conditions which are chronic, and they have found solutions here. I love that all the treatments, the food and everything is so authentic. And Ayurveda, as we all know, is a 5,000-year-old science, and Panchakarma is something I always wanted to do, but I got the confidence of it being done right and carefully at Kalari Rasayana, and that's why I have been here. Having spent time here has also given me an opportunity to digitally detox, because we are not allowed to have gadgets in public spaces, and even if we do, it's a quick picture and that's it. So that's really been a sort of a cleanse. And the food here, you eat alone so that you can kind of focus on the food and the nutrition value it has, and be grateful for the food that you have. And the food here has been quite delicious. I've loved the dosas, the uttapams, and I'm actually a big khichdi fan. So the khichdi's have also been amazing. The chef has been very kind. He teaches us how to cook sometimes if we want, if there's any recipe we want. The whole staff, the whole environment is very warm, friendly and nurturing. We do yoga 3 times a day, and I mean, where in everyday life do you get an opportunity to do that? Yoga is something which I've always loved to do since I was 5 or 6 years old. So I'm so grateful that they had the yoga practice here, and everybody is so educated in the subject of yoga. They have studied the science of yoga that kind of works well during the process of Panchakarma. So I think the whole experience has been extremely rich and soulful. At the end, you feel like a butterfly who's coming out of a cocoon, because you feel so rejuvenated. And just the silence itself, it's so great for your cells and your body. And everybody talks in this beautiful, calming voice. There's a ratio of the staff to the guests of 4:1. So you're really surrounded with a lot of attention, a lot of love, a lot of attention to detail. So that's been wonderful. Devatinde Sondam Nad. They say it's God's own country, but this time I really got to witness it. And I think once I knew Kalari Rasayana was managed by the CGH group, I was sure it's going to be a very luxurious experience, which it has been from the time you are picked up from the airport till the time they bid you farewell. It is traditional Ayurveda, and the clinical authenticity can be seen by the fact that there's so many people who keep coming back again and again. I met this one lady who had a hunch, and because of years of working, and she now has an erect posture thanks to her multiple visits here. And I met another person who has an autoimmune condition and has been coming here again and again. And also I met somebody who had arthritis, and they had the same story. So there's so many repeat people here. It's managed by CGH group, and I was sure of their clinical authenticity and a dash of luxury.